So Tourism Northern Ireland are here in London today with our colleagues from Tourism Ireland to launch our new brand, Northern Ireland, Embrace the Giant Spirit.
It's been a privilege for me to be involved with this and to work with Tourism Northern Ireland on this. I suppose what I wanted to do from my own point of view is bring what I love about home and why I choose to live there. You know, the warmth of the place, the beauty of the sea, the landscape, and the people who live there.
Well, given that we've made such a massive investment, that is both the public sector and private sector over the last 5 to 10 years, then that's about leveraging in this new brand, leveraging that to create 25,000 new jobs and double the revenue from tourism in Northern Ireland to £2 billion. That's really significant stuff.
I think our new brand, Embrace the Giant Spirit, works for both big business across Northern Ireland, established attractions, plus small-scale SMEs. So in that way, I think it works right across Northern Ireland and will help to spread the benefit, the economic benefits right across the country.
For me, I think it's lovely to get us all underneath one umbrella, and it's super to get this kind of the different counties even working together under that one big emblem up there. I think it's beautiful.
I think it's only going to work wonders for Northern Ireland, for my own business, and hopefully for our visitors who are coming to see us.
Talking to people here at this World Market, there seems to be a lot of interest in it, so I can imagine my business will sort of take off more next year.
It opens it up. It just makes them realise that there's more to Northern Ireland than what they thought. It gives all the positive vibes of Northern Ireland, which is what is there, and it lets them know that the people are there for them to come and talk to.
From the word go, I was one of the original 9 businesses who put our heads around the table and talked out this concept and been involved in it really from the origin, and very happy to be part and parcel of it.
To have a big machine like TNI and Tourism Ireland committed to me and committed to working with me is just absolutely fantastic for me. So it may not happen just today or tomorrow, and I realise that it can be a slow burner, but I'm certainly going to be giving it all the work and effort I can to take it forward, you know.
The impact of the new brand for our business is that now Northern Ireland Tourism has pulled together a range of experiences, so that when they go out to market in Northern Ireland, it's not just marketing one, everybody having to market a single entity, because you must come together, market a group of material, a range of products to encourage people to stay longer in Northern Ireland.
Tourism Northern Ireland has taken us on a journey with this brand. We've been brought in at the initial stages and showing the brand and asked to develop our experiences. So it's been a very enjoyable journey which Tourism Northern Ireland has taken us through step by step.
Well, I just think it's about enhancing the visitor experience, and I think more international visitors are more discerning. They want to meet with the locals, they want to go behind the scenes. I suppose with the Taste the Island brand as well, having local food produce available and local beers and dairy, for example at the Wall City Brewery, I think we've developed a really good tour that is really what the tour operators want to see.
So I suppose it's a little mini work of art in its own right now, and what I hope is that people will respond to it in that way and maybe interpret it in different ways, or to even see something different in it every time they see it.
I'm delighted by the way the way that it's gone. I think the stand looked absolutely fantastic. We had a really great turnout from the media, both from Northern Ireland and from here in the UK. Really good trade presence at the lunch. So personally, I'm really delighted. I don't think it could have really gone much better.